Good morning and welcome to the AMAI. Justin, I
Yeah,
sent you a few links. It's been a few days.
it has been a few days. Let's see what's been stewing out in the AI world over the past week or so. Let's start with this tweet from Min Choi. MidJourney just dropped consistent character feature, and it's amazing. Now you can create characters with consistent face, hair, and styles. 10 examples, and now to get started. Um,
So you give it a character reference URL as part of the prompt,
uh-huh.
and now all of your images can use the exact same character.
So here's an example. Same character. Wow.
Uh,
Wow.
keep going.
So that's pretty good.
Yeah, I don't know why they would do it as a video. It's a pain in the butt,
Yeah.
but it's really good. All right, so fine. Um, next
Very
next
interesting.
link, next link about the same topic.
Okay.
Nick St. Pierre.
All right. Let's go bring up Nick St. Pierre here and let's see what he has to say about the situation. He says notes. I'm starting way down the thread here. One second. Let me make sure I'm okay. MidJourney finally released their consistent character features. You can now generate images with consistent faces, hair, and styles, even clothing access, and even clothing across styles and scenes. It's now been the top requested feature for the community for a while now. Some examples and how it works. So just some other examples of this.
But check this out. Taking that character and now crossing styles.
Across image styles. Look at that. That is pretty cool.
Dude, it's just keep going. Look, it's so good.
Wow.
Keep going.
Wow.
And look, now you got him as a baseball player. Like I am telling you, this is next level. We're gonna be able to create like kids' books so easy now.
I mean, create everything, right? Like this, the idea of having consistent characters is a game changer in terms of being able to use this for any kind of like narrative like stuff, right? Being able to use this for books, movies, that kind of
Just
thing where you need the same character over time.
just wait. Now hit the next link from Yavil Oppen.
Okay.
And I'm or Javi Lopez. Sorry.
It's
I was
whatever.
trying to break the tweet name and not the uh okay,
Javi
read
Lopez
this.
says, okay, isn't this something? I didn't know about this until Moritz suggested this use case, but you can totally use a new magnificent transfer style. Is that magnificent transfer style? Is that the character thing? What is magnificent transfer style?
I don't know, but
Okay, to
I'm
redesign interiors. Things opens up a huge window of opportunity for interior designers. Parameters used. Okay, so
oh wait, was this scroll down? This might not have actually been uh yeah, so this is a different AI one. They're doing the same thing. They're transferring styles, right? So this is the theme
yeah,
for this particular one.
magnifique. I guess it's magnifique.
And
Magnificent.
Javi
Yep.
appears to be the founder of Magnifique AI.
Oh,
So, but
interesting.
they're using this now to transfer styles of you know rooms, which Justin and I have previously looked at when we were doing some work for real estate agents, and
Yeah.
it's
Look at
re-
that.
it's really good.
That is phenomenal. Man, I mean, this,
So consistency with these image generations tools is definitely one of the areas that was hard. So the
yep.
idea that like we might be able to take a character and create a reference point or a background and create a reference point opens up the potential for swapping
Mm.
and doing some really interesting things. So I'm super excited about this personally. Midjourney, I also saw a room not no rumor, but I saw some people actually have a UI to Midjourney now. Apparently, if you've been paying for a long time and you've generated over 1,000 images, they gave you beta access to a UI and not working through Discord.
Really
Yes.
interesting. I mean,
So
it
just
was
search Discord UI actually inside of Twitter real quick and see what you come up with. Or UI Midjourney. All right, I guess not. That's
yeah.
not Discord,
We'll
but
see what happens here.
You might want to try MidJourney UI instead of Discord. I screwed that up.
Yeah. All good, all good.
So no one's showing it here, but yeah. So apparently they do have a UI. It's in beta. And if you've generated over 1,000 images, you will get access to it.
Huh.
So
Very cool. Yeah, that's really interesting. I mean, though I gotta say, though props to MidJourney for essentially using Discord as their UI for as long as they have. Like that is the way to ship quickly because at the end of the day, what they're innovating in is the model, not the UI, right? So you shouldn't be building stuff where you're not innovating early on because it doesn't move you ahead. And so there's a great case study for how to ship as an MVP, thinking differently about how to package your product and use that to get to the point where then you can graduate out into a more fully realized product. Brilliant.
yeah, completely agree. So
Love it. Very cool stuff. Very cool stuff. I think the image, the character, consistency stuff, whatever, is really going to be a game changer for any type of entertainment, movies, TV, that kind of thing. Obviously, writing, illustrating characters. Yeah, pretty big. And just doing variations of a thing, saying create a lot of variations of this one thing, but keep it the same and make variations of it. Will have a ton of uses, right?
again, I go back to storyboarding, right? Like how often have we storyboarded the idea of a concept and just use stick figures? And now you
Yeah.
can actually use like a conceptual character
Yep.
and put them in different positions and
Yep.
environments. And oh, it's going to be so fun.
One of the things that I think that again, I think the thing that AI is going to unlock, and I think it's hard to sort of wrap your head around what the impacts of this will be because we have been on the Henry Ford assembly line model for 100 years in this country, in this society, whatever, where manufacturing at scale, manufacturing a consistent the same thing at scale was the way that you service a lot of people. And what we're going to go into is like the era of mass customization at scale, where everybody has their own product, everybody has their own thing, and no one has the same thing. Things will be differentiated individually because we can now do that with AI. Now, the manufacturing process is going to have to catch up, but they will. And living in a world where there's mass customization at scale is going to be a very, very interesting place
Well,
because no one will quite have the same things.
uh, holy crap, we could just go into a whole dive on that particular one. But I will say,
Stay
like,
tuned to our next video where we talk
yeah.
about mass customization at scale.
But like, actually, if you look at like Shine or Sheen, I don't know how to say the name, but have you
Mhm.
used that app for that Chinese clothing manufacturer?
I know, I don't believe so.
Oh my God, there's so many good UI patterns in there. Like it blows my mind how
Mm,
good they are. But
really?
they're the leaders in fast fashion, and like they literally will create something and sell 1,000, 10,000, whatever units, and it'll never go up again. And they'll just churn ideas. And so it's not quite down to the level of one, but it is very, very quick.
Yep.
And we absolutely should do a UI review of that app. The app itself
Oh
is
yeah.
incredible. But
Very cool.
we don't care about that right now. We're talking about character
Consistency.
consistency, and that's it for today.
Love it. Check it out. Big things happening.